I'll guide you out. I'll guide you out. I get some footage. The Camaro cleans up good, don't it? This bad boy cleans up good, don't it?
Oh yeah.
Getting them in. Tuesday. We were closed yesterday. Got a vehicle from Milton Rubin. A used car getting detailed to be put on the lot. And exterior wash on the Hyundai. At the shop, enjoying our day. A little cold, but not too bad. Getting a little work in today. Come see us. What's up, guys? Randy here. Out here in Columbia today at Restaurant Technologies. They recycle spent cooking oil for biodiesel. This is a huge company right here. I guess they're nationwide, as I was being explained. Got my spot shampooer, pump up sprayer, soapy water, shampoo solution, and our shop vac for extraction. Got everything ran. We're doing an interior detail on this box truck. Enrico's already vacuumed it out. See if we can get all these stains off. Pretty easy job. Cleaned up pretty good so far. Pretty exciting. And for those of you that are rigid fans, you know, I spent the money when I opened the car wash because these are wall mountable for our self-serve. I spent the money to buy these, and I've bought the Walmart Hearts. What's the other brand? Stanley. And I've had better success with the Walmart, the Heart. I mean, all this crap's made in China anyways, so I mean, it really doesn't matter, I guess. But these, kind of disappointed. You know, they still work. Let's see how long they last. Had these for a good, since we opened October 9th at the shop. So I bought 4 of them. So they've been in use since October. So let's see how long they last. As you guys know, it doesn't matter if it's rigid or Stanley or hard. Eventually these will burn out. It happens all the time. It's just cost of doing business. So basic pump up sprayer, 5-gallon buckets, spot shampooer, the Bissell spot shampooer. Does a pretty decent job for spot cleanup. And we're about to go in on this. We'll come back and see how this comes out right here. Oh yeah, it's coming out. Getting it clean, getting it clean. Well, we had a couple issues right here with that spot, but as you can see, that's the result that you want every time. That came right back. And this is, like I said, they do oil recycling, so I thought it might have been oils, and sometimes oil can be tough, as you guys know. So but that's what we wanted right there. Got her all cleaned up. Looking fantastic around here. Looking fantastic. Final product. Everything looking nice. Looking real nice. Get your pockets all cleaned out. Oh, look at that. Missed the spot. See? 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 Sometimes perfection takes time. Come over here. See this side. Everything looking good. Nice and cleaned out. Wasn't too bad. Get your floor all clean. Looking good. Looking good. Had that black stuff on there. I should have took a picture of that. Well, that's what we wanted. I think they're going to be satisfied. Got the Jaguar all jagged up. Look at it. J-A-G. Your. J-G or. Looking beautiful. Looking nice. Get that big Jaguar symbol. What is that, a panther? No, I said that's a panther. It's a Jaguar, Randy. Number 5 package with the ceramic wax on the Dodge Charger. Looking beautiful.
Well, looking good, and I appreciate it. Bless you. Bless you. There you go.
No, she got it. She got it. She got it. Tesla, all cleaned up. Look at that thing, pretty. In the center console, in the center cup holder. I got you. Late rush. Here they come. Got them wrapped. Caddy on blast. Shout out to the window tint school. I know Darren had posted about the 3-day course for the vinyl graphics. Well, here's our project today. We're washing, buffing these fleet vehicles for Molly Maids here in Columbia, South Carolina. You gotta remove all these decals. And as you experienced people probably know, sometimes that adhesive can be a bitch, but as you probably also know, when you can start peeling it off with your finger, that's always a good sign. That's always a good sign. Excuse my finger there. So we've got 5 Corollas. There's 3. 1, 2, 3. We're not doing the Versa. 4 Corollas and that Corolla way down there at the end. 5 Corollas, wash, wax, buff, new decal removal and installation. So as you guys know, this is one of them rack pan jobs. Shout out to the window tint school. These vinyl graphics installed. Perfect. Yeah. Perfect. Fantastic. Let's see here. That's all you need right here. Could use the heat gun, but these are 3M vinyl graphics. I didn't know that they made specific vinyl graphics, but as you guys know, 3M is boss. That's good. That's good.
good of you. That's good.